In Clever Notepad as well as Clever To-Do List, you'll see a button called Stick to Corner. And in Clever Notepad, it's located here. In Clever To-Do List, it's located here. When this button is turned on, the bottom right corner of the application sticks to the bottom right corner of your Windows desktop, namely near the clock in the bottom right. And this can be useful when you have lots of text, because often when you're using a word processing or a text creation application, there might be dead space down here where it's not being particularly used for anything, but it's still useful to be able to look and glance at the bottom right area so you can see all of the text that might be occurring here. So because this dead zone is so often not used, Stick to Corner attempts to take advantage of that area. For example, if I have Stick to Corner off and I have some text here, well, I have a lot of space here where I could be peripherally examining some of the rest of the content if my app was wider. That's why we have this button here, which will always make the app wider and allow you to get a glance at the text on this side of your screen.